For our checkup exercise, let's identify the notes on the staff by writing them underneath. A great way to remember the notes on the treble clef is by using a device called a mnemonic. A mnemonic is a phrase that helps us remember the letters. So for the treble clef, the lines are E, G, B, D, and F. A mnemonic for that is every good boy does fine, or empty garbage before dad flips, or elephants get big dirty feet. There are a bunch, and you can make up your own, but it's helpful to remember the lines on the treble stave. The spaces in between the lines are easy because they spell the word face, F-A-C-E. For the bass stave, our lines are G, B, D, F, and A. So a helpful mnemonic there is good bikes don't fall apart, or giving blood doesn't feel agreeable. Again, if you want to make up your own, have fun. Just make sure the letters are correct and you remember them. For the bass spaces, we have A, C, E, and G. The only one I've ever heard of is all cows eat grass. So I think that works pretty well. So while doing these exercises, remember your mnemonics so you can quickly identify the notes and write them in. You've got the G note as a reference point on the G clef of the top stave, and the F note in the F clef on the bottom stave. For the ledger lines under the staff, you'll have to think backwards from the last letter of the line or space that you can identify. So if E is the last line on the bottom of the treble stave, the next space is D, then the ledger line is C. Feel free to use the keyboard to help you with this exercise, as well as starting to link the lines and spaces to the keys on the keyboard.